Welcome to our comprehensive video guide where we explore the intriguing world of the vegan keto diet. This unique dietary approach combines the principles of veganism and ketogenic eating, offering a fresh perspective on health and nutrition. A vegan keto diet is essentially a plant-based version of the traditional keto diet. While both diets focus on high-fat and low-carb foods, the vegan keto diet excludes all animal products, relying solely on plant-based sources. The core principle of any ketogenic diet is to minimize carbohydrate intake and emphasize fats, which encourages the body to enter a state of ketosis. In ketosis, the body efficiently burns fat for energy instead of relying on carbohydrates. Combining vegan and keto dietary practices involves careful planning to include foods that are both low in carbs and plant-based. Staples include coconut products, avocados, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, which help maintain nutritional balance. The ketogenic diet is praised for its numerous health benefits. According to Healthline, one of the primary advantages is its potential to aid in significant weight loss. By limiting carbohydrates, the body enters a state of ketosis, which efficiently burns fat for energy instead of sugar. Healthline also highlights that the keto diet can lead to a reduction in appetite. This occurs because fat-rich foods tend to be more satiating. Consequently, overall calorie intake can decrease, further supporting weight loss efforts. Beyond weight management, ketogenic diets positively impact blood sugar and insulin levels. By minimizing carb intake, the diet helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which can be particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Cardiovascular health can also improve on a low-carb diet. Research suggests that it leads to a decrease in factors that contribute to heart disease, including high blood pressure and triglycerides, while increasing levels of HDL, good cholesterol. Harvard studies have indicated that a well-planned keto diet might be beneficial for managing diabetes and potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. However, they caution that long-term effects are still under research, urging a balanced approach and consultation with healthcare professionals. Addressing common misconceptions about keto diets often involves clarifying that it's not just about eating copious amounts of meat and cheese. Research from Harvard shows that a well-planned keto diet can be rich in nutrient-dense, low-carb vegetables, aligning with health guidelines without compromising nutritional value. The vegan keto diet presents unique challenges, primarily ensuring a balanced intake of nutrients typically abundant in animal products. Attention must be paid to sources of essential vitamins and minerals to maintain overall health and prevent deficiencies. Protein intake is crucial in any diet, and for individuals on a vegan keto diet, it requires careful planning. Sources like tofu, tempeh, and certain seeds can provide necessary protein without exceeding carbohydrate limits. Fats play a pivotal role in the vegan keto diet, serving as the primary energy source when carbohydrates are limited. Good choices include avocados, seeds, nuts, and coconut products, which provide healthy fats and help maintain ketosis. Medical News Today highlights the breadth of research on ketogenic diets, noting their potential benefits for weight management and metabolic health. However, individual results can vary, and the importance of tailoring the diet to one's health needs is emphasized. Cognitive benefits of ketogenic diets are notable, particularly in enhancing focus and mental clarity. By reducing carbohydrate intake, the brain utilizes ketones as an energy source, which can lead to improved cognitive function and concentration. Research has also highlighted the anti-inflammatory properties of ketogenic diets. The reduction in sugar and processed carbohydrate intake can decrease inflammation markers in the body, potentially alleviating symptoms associated with chronic diseases such as arthritis. Ketogenic diets have been explored for their role in cancer prevention and management. By altering the body's metabolism to use fats for fuel, these diets may inhibit cancer cell growth, which typically relies on glucose. Northwestern Medicine outlines both pros and cons of ketogenic diets. Benefits include weight loss and improved blood sugar control, while potential drawbacks involve nutrient deficiencies and digestive issues if not properly managed. Long-term risks and side effects of ketogenic dieting can include kidney stones, liver disease, and vitamin deficiencies. It's crucial for individuals to monitor their health closely and consider the diet's sustainability when choosing this lifestyle. Balancing a vegan keto diet with nutritional needs is crucial. Northwestern medicine emphasizes the importance of monitoring vitamin and mineral intake to avoid deficiencies. Careful planning can ensure a well-rounded approach to this restrictive diet. Starting a vegan keto diet safely involves gradual changes rather than drastic shifts. Begin by slowly reducing carbohydrate intake while increasing fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds. This helps the body adapt without stress. This quick vegan avocado and nut salad boasts several advantages. Firstly, it's a refreshing and nutrient-rich option, combining the creamy texture of avocados with the crunch of mixed nuts for a satisfying meal. Additionally, it's quick to prepare, making it perfect for busy days when you need a healthy meal in a hurry. Moreover, it's customizable with various leafy greens and nuts, allowing you to adapt it to your taste preferences and dietary needs. Furthermore, it's rich in healthy fats from avocados and nuts, providing essential nutrients to support your vegan keto lifestyle. However, there are some points to consider. Avocado browning may occur if the salad is not consumed immediately, affecting both its appearance and taste. Additionally, portion control is necessary due to the calorie-dense nature of avocados and nuts, especially for those following the strict keto diet. Furthermore, some ingredients like hemp seeds may not be readily available for everyone, requiring substitutions or adjustments to the recipe. Lastly, taste preferences may vary, as some individuals may not enjoy the combination of avocado and nuts in a salad, so it's essential to consider personal preferences when serving this dish. For a more exotic meal, consider a vegan keto coconut curry with spinach and mushrooms offers several benefits. Firstly, it's rich and flavorful, combining the creamy texture of coconut milk with the earthy flavors of spinach and mushrooms for a satisfying meal. Additionally, it's keto-friendly, fitting well into a low-carb lifestyle while still providing plenty of nutrients from the vegetables. Moreover, it's quick and easy to make, perfect for busy weeknights when you need a healthy meal in a hurry. Plus, it's customizable with optional garnishes like lime juice, cilantro, and red chili flakes, allowing you to adjust the spice level to your preference. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Coconut milk can be calorie-dense, so portion control is essential for those closely monitoring their calorie intake on a keto diet. Additionally, some ingredients like red curry paste may not be readily available for everyone, requiring substitutions or modifications to the recipe. Furthermore, taste preferences may vary, as some individuals may not enjoy the combination of coconut milk with spinach and mushrooms in a curry. Therefore, it's important to consider personal tastes when preparing and serving this dish. Another one you can easily make is vegan keto zucchini noodles with pesto. It's low-carb, nutrient-rich, quick to prepare, fresh, and flavorful. Be also aware that its raw texture may not appeal to everyone. Pesto can oxidize quickly, high in calories due to olive oil. This recipe for vegan keto zucchini noodles with pesto comes with several advantages. Firstly, it's low-carb, making it suitable for those following a ketogenic diet, while still offering plenty of flavor and nutrition. Additionally, it's nutrient-rich, with the basil and pine nuts in the pesto providing essential vitamins and minerals. Moreover, it's quick and easy to prepare, perfect for busy days when you need a healthy meal in a hurry. Plus, it's fresh and flavorful, offering a delicious alternative to traditional pasta dishes. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. The raw texture of zucchini noodles may not appeal to everyone, so it's important to consider personal preferences when serving this dish. Additionally, pesto can oxidize quickly, affecting both its appearance and taste, so it's best to consume the dish soon after preparing it. Furthermore, the olive oil in the pesto can make the dish calorie-dense, so portion control is important for those watching their calorie intake. Lastly, some ingredients like pine nuts may not be readily available for everyone, requiring substitutions or modifications to the recipe. Next dish on our list is vegan keto stuffed bell peppers. Firstly, it provides a balanced mix of nutrients from the vegetables and savory filling, making it a satisfying meal option. Additionally, it's flavorful, with the combination of vegetables and spices adding plenty of taste without compromising on the low-carb nature of the dish. Moreover, it's convenient for meal prep, allowing you to prepare a batch of stuffed peppers ahead of time and enjoy them throughout the week. Plus, it's customizable, with the option to choose different vegetables and spices to suit your taste preferences. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. The longer baking time required for the stuffed peppers may not be suitable for those looking for a quick meal option. Additionally, the texture of cauliflower rice used in the filling may not mimic traditional rice exactly, which may affect the overall taste and texture of the dish. Furthermore, bell peppers do contain some carbs, so portion control is important for those following a strict keto diet. Lastly, taste preferences may vary, as some individuals may not enjoy the combination of vegetables and spices used in the filling. Therefore, it's important to consider personal tastes when preparing and serving this dish. Vegan Keto Chocolate Avocado Pudding is next proposition we have for you today. Firstly, it offers a rich and creamy texture, reminiscent of traditional chocolate pudding, making it a satisfying dessert option. Additionally, it's packed with healthy fats from avocados, making it a nutritious treat. Moreover, it's quick and easy to prepare, requiring just a few simple ingredients and minimal cooking time. Plus, it's adjustable in sweetness, allowing you to customize the level of sweetness to suit your taste preferences. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. The strong avocado flavor may not appeal to everyone, so it's important to consider personal preferences when serving this dessert. Additionally, it's calorie-dense due to the presence of avocados and cocoa powder, so portion control is important for those watching their calorie intake. Furthermore, the availability of low-carb sweeteners may vary, affecting the overall sweetness and taste of the pudding. Lastly, avocado pudding is best consumed fresh, as avocados tend to brown when exposed to air for an extended period. Therefore, it's important to enjoy this dessert soon after preparing it. This vegan keto cauliflower rice stir-fry offers several benefits. First, it's nutrient-rich and fits well into a keto diet, providing essential vitamins and minerals from vegetables like cauliflower and mixed veggies. Additionally, it's customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your preferences by choosing preferred vegetables and protein sources, such as tofu or tempeh. Furthermore, it's quick and easy to prepare, making it a convenient option for busy weeknights. Plus, it offers a satisfying alternative to traditional rice stir-fry dishes, adding variety to your meals while staying within your keto goals. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. The texture of cauliflower rice may differ from traditional rice, which may not appeal to everyone's taste preferences. Additionally, some ingredients like coconut aminos or tempeh might not be readily available for everyone, requiring substitutions or extra effort to procure. Moreover, portion control is essential due to the calorie content of added oils and protein sources, especially for those closely monitoring their calorie intake on a keto diet. Lastly, taste preferences may vary, depending on individual preferences for cauliflower as a rice substitute, so it's important to consider personal tastes when preparing and serving this dish. Meal planning for a week on a vegan keto diet requires creativity and foresight. Planning your meals can prevent repetitive eating and ensure a diverse intake of nutrients, helping to maintain both interest and health on the diet. Also, monitoring your health on a vegan keto diet is crucial. Regular checkups with a healthcare professional can help track changes and adjust the diet as needed to ensure optimal health benefits and avoid nutrient deficiencies. And that's all for today's video. As always, full recipes and research papers are in the description or comments below. Watch another interesting video we have prepared for you. The link should be visible on the screen. And for more recipes and insights, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, stay healthy.